Hi, this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our brand new 2019 Silverado dually diesel 3500 LTZ. It's 4x4, 6.6 liter V8 turbo engine with a remote start. Got your front fog lamps, 17-inch wheels, power windows and your power locks, black leather interior. This is a big, bad, beautiful truck. Climate controls, touchscreen satellite radio, it's got your rear folding bench seats for extra storage, your rear sliding power window, got a remote locking tailgate, rear backup camera, coming in through the driver's side. It's got your power seats, your steering wheel control for Bluetooth and the radio. And this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our brand new 2019 Silverado dually diesel 3500 LTZ.